Talk about a heart attack. Woo!
Hello. Jeez. He's not seriously wanting to try to fucking speed up and make it anyways, is he? Okay, no, he's fine. No, he's a fucking dumbass. Wow, Jesus fucking Christ. He drives that fucking thing. Holy shit. He has two other fucking people's vehicles and he drives like a fucking retard. What the fuck? Jesus. Yeah, sure. I mean, you can drive like that. No one's gonna stop you, except for police officers. Okay, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's also another way you could drive. Like, oh, yeah, sure, why not? Okay, who cares? You know, people exist, you know, to be my NPCs, pretty much. Like, really, what are other people there for, if not to be obstacles to your path of, you know, moving around? Why not?
The pressure, you know.
Well, yeah,
remember with Devin when he had to get all this work done all the time and he was so slow.
Yeah.
But
the pressure.
Oh!
What the? That was crazy.
Камера на разметку. Отключение питания. Discover. Limitations apply. Learn more at discover.com/creditcard. Join us at Odyssey as we all do our one thing. Together millions of things for our planet. Earth Day is April 22nd. It's always good to
Don't say I didn't warn you. WDCG Journal.
Hey, it's Fred from G105's brand new morning show, The Fred Show. Thank you for listening to
Swoje, weź nie tak mi się zostaw to moje. Nie ma, jest tak tu, nie. Plansza jest zajęta, wziąłbyś, zrób. Zważankę, mamy coś więcej, ty tego nie masz, bo nie te czasy. Niech kurwy wią, boli te kurwy, że mój rap...
Tam. Jedź tam. It's me.
Can take the Advil and then we load up in her truck because I was on my bike. Hello, buddy.
Yep.
Yeah, I was on my bike and
There you go. Now, if you would stay off your phone, you'd be able to drive straight.
I'd laugh if there's a cop. I think it might be. I think it's a cop.
Yeah.
Huh. But yeah, after that, she wanted to go to Walmart to look for something, but she ended up not finding, and then she was like, and then she was like,
Just gonna say
Video
that.
protected.
and then she was like going to the. I ended up buying that that mouse because she went to the bathroom. Like, I was just trying to kill time, you know?
Uh-huh.
But I didn't need the mouse, like, really. Because the scroll wheel on the mouse that I'd swapped the razor out for was really stiff and hard to use.
I should have been like, put the phone down. Yes, I made eye contact with you because you're a dumbass.
If it was all audio and no video, it wouldn't be enough to get him out of their care, but maybe it at least gets the Department of Children and Families involved. Karen and Bill immediately claimed that I had broken a bunch of their stuff while moving it around in the basement, stuff that they no doubt had already recorded. I offered my GoPro recordings as proof that I had not, in fact, broken any of their stuff while moving it at all. The restraining order a person is allowed to file with a police report is always temporary, but you can always petition the court to extend it. Once Mom and I did that, it was granted. At that